And there we have some crap parking.
Excuse me, sir. One sec. You scratch my van. One sec.
Your van's parked illegally.
One sec. There is a space, sir. There is a space.
No, there isn't. It's blocking the cycle path.
Okay, go 1 sec. Let's just
You're working
check
for
it.
FedEx, are you?
Yeah, let's just check it and you can go. Don't just drive off.
I'm going anyway.
If you
You know this video is going to the police and to your employers.
I know. I didn't do nothing.
Yeah,
you're the
you
one
did.
You're
You
the one who's
assaulted me.
crashing. I didn't touch you. I hold
Yeah,
your
you
bike.
did. I've got it on video.
You want to run away. You want to run away.
I've got it on video. You're not
okay,
getting out
it's
of
okay.
it.
You have
Police
a
go.
video.
Video
It's
goes to the
fine.
police
It's
and to your
fine. It's all right.
employers.
Let's just
Let
check.
go of my bike.
Let's just check what you did, please, before
Boy,
you
you
leave.
did it.
Yeah, no, but you have to stop. You want to drive off. That's
You
why I
really
hold
don't
your
get
bike.
it, do you? You're up for assault now.
I'm not touching you. I'm just.
There's no damage. All right.
I'm just telling
Show
you.
me.
Let's check.
Show me the
Let's
damage.
check. Yeah, let's check together.
No damage. I can see
Let's
it.
go and check, sir. That's
I'm
easy.
doing that now. It's on video. There's no damage. You were in from the police shot. You're
Let's go
making a
and
mistake,
check,
yeah?
Please, let's go and check.
Point out some damage.
Let's go and check.
Point out the
together.
damage. I can see it from here.
I can see from here the scratch.
Point it out to me.
Come, I'll
Point it out to me. See you in court, you piece of shit cunt.